Here's a 2016 Acura MDX. Inspired by your high standards, this is one of the world's smartest SUVs. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, voice-activated climate controls, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, adaptive suspension, and heated and ventilated leather sports seats. Car and Driver notes, it seems Acura has taken one of our favorite luxury SUVs and made it incrementally better. Acura believes if there's a better way, take it. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
We believe the cars we offer are the highest quality and ideal for your life needs. We look forward to doing business with you. Bradshaw Acura at 2450 Lawrence Road,